India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
To keep a check on the Model Code of Conduct, enforcement and violations, there are 3 such teams. One is a flying squad team, which consists of an executive magistrate officer. It consists of the police personnel also. It will consist of a videographer and it consists of a driver. These teams will be taking the complaints of Model Code of Conduct violations and will ensure that the enforcement takes place as per rules. There are also excise teams which are ensuring that liquor distribution component of the Model Code of Conduct is not violated. So from the excise commissioner order, there have been 2 inspectors allotted per taluka. So there are 10 teams with 2 inspectors each.
We also have a strong monitoring mechanism. The expenditure of the candidates are being regularly monitored by the expenditure monitoring teams of the ROs. There is a media monitoring team also at the district level which is monitoring whether any campaign is violating the Model Code of Conduct, and it is also monitoring the social media and the news and the print media. Apart from that, Section 144 order regarding the arms held by the people in the areas going for voting is issued by the district collector. Like in the same way, the liquor prohibition after 10 o'clock order also has been issued. The campaign period has been restricted till 10 p.m. and that has to be followed by the candidates.
Today we are unveiling for the first time to generate the awareness among the voters of village panchayat, to make them aware that the preciousness of their vote. We are also going through the social media, Twitter and Facebook and Instagram, and through electronic media also we will be doing, and through radio also we are doing, so that to make register them that 10th August from 8 to 5 they have to come and vote.